Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a quick review of this new setting powder from Milk Makeup. This is their Blur and Set Matte Loose Setting Powder. And the color that I have today is Translucent Deep, okay? So I received this product free for review from Influenster. Now, I made a video before discussing some of the sites where I get free beauty products and free products in general from. And that video is a little bit old. I made it when I first started going back to work and got comfortable after having Isaiah. And since then, I've found some more sites and some more different ways to get free beauty products or free products in general. So if you would like to see an updated video related to that, definitely comment below, like this video and things like that. And I will definitely make sure that video goes out to you guys, okay? And before I go into the video, I want to do some shout outs because I have noticed certain people commenting on my videos numerous times and new subscribers and things like that. So I just want to shout out a couple of people. I've noticed you. Thank you so much for supporting me and all of that good stuff. So I have them written down. I had to write them down in crayon because I can't find any pens in my house because of my children. But anyway. Ty Johnson, okay? Thank you so much for commenting on my videos and watching my videos. Thank you so much. Time with Kai, of course, you're my girl, you know that. Thank you so much for supporting me and watching my videos. And congrats on your little milestone on your, well, it's not little, sorry. Congrats on your milestone on your channel as well. Hopefully I can be up there with you one day. Southern Yankee, thank you so much for commenting on my Stitch Fix videos. I read them, I respond. Thank you so much for supporting me. Sky Lewis, thank you so much for commenting on my videos and watching them. Thank you so much. Therese Ayo, thank you so much for watching my videos, commenting, things like that. Kelly Schaefer, I think you also watch my Stitch Fix videos as well. Thank you so much for commenting and subscribing and following me and all that good stuff. And finally, Clara Moore. This lady commented on one of my videos and asked for a shout out, which actually kind of inspired me to do a couple of shout outs before I started doing this video. So Clara Moore, here's your shout out. Thank you so much for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Without further ado, we are going to review this product. So I'm going to admit to you guys, I've been trying to do a first impressions video of this product. For me, first impression videos are kind of hard to do. One, because the time frame that I put on my makeup, which I'm finally doing makeup again, is in the morning time. So I don't really have time to focus on doing that and talking to you guys on camera. Sorry, but it's true. Because my kids are crazy. They're running all over the place, okay? And I can't focus on this and that and them. It's just too much. So over a couple of days, I have tried this product out, okay? So let me tell you about the product first before I give you my opinions. It is $29 on Sephora's website, but again, I told you I received mine free for review from Influenster, and I'll leave the information below for Influencer if you would like to sign up, and I'll also leave the link to that video below for how to get free beauty products as well if you're interested in that as well. Okay, so that's how I got mine. It comes in 3 different shades, and it's supposed to give you a matte finish. So it is the end of the day, and as you can see, I'm pretty oily, and I did that on purpose because I wanted you guys to see how the product takes away that shine. So that's why I specifically waited for the end of the day to do this review. It is silicone free, talc free, no parabens, no sulfates. This is clean beauty. So this is definitely for those people who like clean beauty products. This would definitely be a product for you. It's a lightweight setting powder. I feel like I'm sweating. Anyway, it's a lightweight setting powder. It absorbs oil. It creates a shine, not a glow. It's not going to make you all glossy and stuff, but it will create a shine. It's supposed to lock makeup in place, okay? Although I'm going to be taking off my makeup after this video. I'm going to show you how it removes all of my oiliness and shine right now. And it's supposed to lock makeup in place without the cake face, the chalkiness, and when you take a picture, you're not supposed to experience flashback, all right? So my sample, well, it's a sample, but it's not a sample size. I got actually a full-size product. And again, I told you it comes in 3 shades, and this is how the packaging looks. I don't have the box anymore that it came in because my children, but if you look at the thumbnail, it has the box and everything that it came in. When you open it up, it comes with a nice little sponge right here, okay? That's what I've been using to apply the product. And then the sponge sits in this little section right here, which I think is really cute. And then if you lift it up, Now there might be a lot of powder on mine because it's been in my bag and it's been all over the place in my purse. But if you see, it's like a little cushion right here. So most translucent powders, let me pull mine out. This is my Laura Mercier one. Most translucent powders don't have that little bouncy pouch. They just have this area right here where you just, you know, flip it up and down, and then the product will end up being in this area right here. Okay, it looks like it's the same thing for, excuse me, I gotta put it back in my area. It looks like it's the same thing for this product, but it's more so like a bouncy cushion instead of just an opening, you know, like how the translucent powder, Laura Mercier translucent powder was. So I do like the packaging. It contains like any excess powder in here. If you close that up, all your excess powder is contained, versus with my Laura Mercier translucent powder, I can go up and down with it, and then when I go to close the lid, sometimes powder is spilling, so I gotta make a habit of dipping it in. But with this product, you don't have to do that. You don't have to worry about that. The powder is sealed in. Don't look like it's cooking, it's smoky. The powder is sealed in when you go ahead and close that lid. So when I use the product, it definitely helped keep the shine away all day on my face. Again, I am very shiny and all that stuff right now, as you can see, but I'm going to dip into the product. Okay. And I'm going to show you exactly what happens when you put it on. So what I used it, I used it to set around my, ooh, I put a little bit too much on. I use it to set around my highlighter to make sure it blended in with my makeup. Now let me show you something. Look at this real quick. Look at this side right here. Now that side was really oily and shiny and all that good stuff, wasn't it, right? And look at this side. It still is oily and shiny and everything. So look at that. This is definitely a great powder for touching up. That's what I find. I put it in my office, and if I feel like I'm getting too oily, I'll go ahead and grab it and I'll dab it on my face to freshen up my makeup. So I'm going to get some more. Where else is it oily? It's oily right here, right? So we're going to go around that area a little bit and blend that in and see what happens. Look at that. All of that shine has gone away. My makeup still looks intact. I can go out tonight and go to the club and all that, and I'll still look fine, okay? So then I'm going to do two more areas. I'm going to do this side over here, and I'm going to do around this area. I want to show you something. When you dab it in, it bounces, so it picks up whatever product is in there. You don't necessarily have to flip it upside down. You can just dab it in, and that cushion bounces. Of course, you could take from up here if you would like. Okay. I absolutely love this powder for touching up like that. This looks awesome. My highlight isn't gone, my contour isn't gone, none of that. I just touch it up in the areas I need it. So I'm gonna go ahead and flip it again. Okay, it does feel like a lot of product doesn't come out of it when you go ahead and do this bounce, so you may have to go ahead and shake it up for some product to come out. That's what I'm noticing actually right now. I didn't notice that before until I'm starting to put it on all the areas I need help with. I got shaved. Don't talk about my little mustache right there. If you can see it, I do have to shave. It calmed down that shininess of my nose a ton. And again, like I said, my highlight is still there. And I like this little sponge. It gets into all those cracks and crevices that you may need to touch up throughout the day. I definitely like that sponge. So here we go. My highlight is still there. My contour, again, like I said, is still there. And all I did was touch up those areas that's getting a little bit of shine, like everywhere, right? Here we go. I touched up all the areas that had shine, and here you go. This is the face, okay? After I touched up all those areas. Again, I feel like I could just go ahead out and keep it pushing if I'm going to the club and all that stuff. Now, I don't go to clubs. I is a married woman. Don't go to clubs. But I'm just saying, The makeup just looks like you can keep going throughout the day, for the rest of the day, if you're still going out or whatever you're doing. So I definitely really like this product as a touch-up product. I do like it from when you're initially setting your makeup as well. Using this product as a touch-up product for me definitely works, okay? Especially, I know summer is about to be over, but I started using it we had a heat wave up in Philly, and I was using it then, and I noticed that I didn't experience as much shine as I typically would. And if I did experience shine, I just placed it on those areas where I had shine, and I was good to go. So you got a live demo of this product. I actually really genuinely like this product. I want to thank Influenster so much for sending this product my way for me to review. It's not an expensive product. It's not too pricey. The shade range is fine because it's just a translucent powder, so there is one for everyone. And if there isn't one for you, of course they have the plain translucent color for you, so you have nothing to worry about with choosing the color for this powder. And yeah, I'm really happy that I got to try this. I was so excited to learn that I was going to be able to try this out, especially since it's brand new. So that was so decent. What are your opinions of this product? Were you excited to try this product when it came out? Do you already have it? Do you already love it? Because I absolutely love it for touching up. Like, this will be in my office, on my little desk, and when I look at myself and I say, oh my God, I'm oily, I'm going to be pulling this out and using it, okay? I like the little applicator. I just like everything really about this. I like the little cushion. Instead of it getting all over the place, it's just on this cushion. It doesn't get all over the place. It's definitely a nice product. And of course, it's cruelty free. Come on, no, don't harm the animals and stuff, just for beauty, okay? So I definitely like everything about this product. Get your hands on it. Definitely try it if you're in the market for a new translucent powder, or you're just looking for a powder, like I said, to touch up. This is definitely a great powder for that. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Like and subscribe to my channel for new and interesting content such as this. Hello to all the new subscribers. I see a couple people jumped in on my channel. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel and rocking out with me. And I'll see you guys in my next video.